All right, Lily, part 2 of this lessons 3 through 5 on division of polynomials. So this one is on page 18, number 4. It's the first one that we are dividing by a quadratic, not a linear, as the exponent is 2. The process is the same. I just wanted to show it out just in case there was any confusion as you came across some of the practice problems. So I'm dividing 2x minus 3 into 2x to the 4th plus 14x cubed plus x squared minus 21x minus 6. And now again, I'm only concentrating on this first term. The minus 3 means nothing to me right now. So 2x to the 4th divided by 2x squared is x squared. I'm going to multiply this whole thing now by what's on top to get 2x to the 4th minus 3x squared. And so what I did there is line up like terms. There is no x cubed when I multiply back through. So I'm going to leave a gap there. And when I subtract, I'm going to make sure I bring down this 14x cubed. And now I have x squared minus negative 3x squared. So that is plus 4x squared. So now I'm going to divide 14x cubed by the 2x squared, and that is going to get me 7x. Multiply back through everything. So I get the 14x cubed, and negative 3 times 7 is negative 21x. So I'm going to bring the negative 21x from the original down here, just so that I am lining up like terms. And when I subtract this whole thing, 14 minus 14 goes away. I have the 4x squared still. Negative 21 minus negative 21 is 0. So I am bringing down the negative 6. And now 4x squared divided by 2x squared is just 2. 2 times 2x squared is 4x squared. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. And when I subtract, everything cancels out. I'm left with no remainder. So my final solution is x squared plus 7x plus 2. On page 18, you'll see 6 problems. There's 8 exercises on pages 18 and 19. That if you wanted, the practice that was assigned was the problem set on page 20. Just numbers 1 through 4 using either method. So this says use long division. You can use either method. So tabular or long division, whichever you prefer. So if you want to do 2 of each, or if you want to do 1 of each and then figure out which one you liked better and then do the other 2 that way, that's fine. And obviously there are more problems. There's some extra practice there. I left those open for the kids who wanted extra practice. So when we came in the day after this, lesson 5, 21, 22, sorry, it's called Putting It All Together. And it is literally just classwork of problems of adding polynomials, subtracting polynomials, multiplying polynomials, and dividing polynomials. So what we did in that class was 1 to 21 odd. And that started on page 22 and went all the way through page 25, I believe. 26. So I will post those answers to lesson 5, 1 to 21 odd. And then Tuesday before Thanksgiving, we had a brief quiz on lessons 1 through 5, just 4 problems. They were all from lesson 5, the evens. I just took 4 of the even problems and gave that as a brief quiz, as I wanted to get a grade in before Thanksgiving for these guys. As we spent a lot of time going through everything from module 1 with the projectile motion. So yesterday when we came back, we looked at the supplemental stuff. We're skipping lesson 6, and we're jumping into supplemental stuff on synthetic substitution, which starts on page right after page 34. And that's what the next video will be on, and that's where we are currently in class. So we're going to do some more work with that tomorrow, and then we get into perfect squares and perfect cubes, and square roots and cube roots. And then Friday this week, they have an assembly for sophomores, so we will not meet Friday. So I have no doubt that by the end of the week, you will be right where we are, depending on how you do with the projectile motion project. So again, this finishes up lessons 3 through 5. The practice is 1 to 21 odd, and I'll post those answers right after this video, so you can practice and see how you're doing. And then, so after this video, you're about a day and a half behind. As of today, Tuesday, the 27th. Hope you're doing well. Look forward to hearing from you, and we'll set up a time to sort everything out as soon as possible.